Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my Tarot and Crystal Guidance video for March the 5th to March the 11th. Today is my birthday, and I thought I would totally do the reading now and get it out of the way so that I don't get completely wrecked and forget to do the video. And I've got a box for Snaps so he can stay in his box and be a good poos and not walk all over the cards. Loves him, but he's crazy today. So let's get right into this. First card for Monday the 5th is the Ace of Swords. A new beginning, a fresh start, a clean outlook and idea, a fresh stab at things. So let's basically on Monday go straight ahead, jump into the fray, do what you need to do because you know what you need to do. Just it's like maybe sometimes acting first and like thinking about the consequences sometimes works better for you because when you sit down and you think about all the cons, you get stagnant and you stop. So do the first stab at whatever project you're trying to work at or what you're trying to achieve, and maybe that's what's going to get you ahead. So the crystal card for Monday is amazing. It's Amber, connected to your solar plexus, which is about your will and your desire. No, you cannot go into the wires. There are wires there. Did you want me to move the box down here so you can play in it? There, you can play in the box. Okay, so Amber is about soothing, connected to your solar plexus, and it's calming and emotional healing, and everybody needs that. So the question it brings to mind is, does your inner child need a voice or compassion? So how can you compassionately take care of yourself? How can you soothe yourself? And sometimes you need to soothe yourself in order to, like, you know, slay. So slay and soothe. That's all you need to do. So Tuesday the 6th is the Knight of Wands. Being passionate, kind of like taking opportunities as they come, being creative and being able to do the things that you want to do, or maybe having a person in their 20s come into your life who inspires you and really kind of like gives you the push that you need in the right direction because of their like lust for life. Definitely kind of really exciting. And the crystal card for Tuesday the 6th is Emerald, which is connected to the heart chakra. I love Emerald. It's about discernment. So this is very, very important because Emerald promotes joy and vitality in relationships using discernment. So the relationship that you're going to get into with this person may be a friendship or like acquaintance, but something you're going to be investing more time. So the question to think about is it best to take a relationship further or to pursue a new one? So maybe this person is really good for you creatively and inspires you, but they're toxic. So think about that kind of relationship and use your discernment, use your ability to kind of go, take the good and leave the bad. You can do it. So Wednesday the 7th, the tarot card is, it's the Two of Cups, which means relationships. And it means that maybe a partnership is coming into your life. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get married to this person, but you could be starting a business. You could be long-term companions, but this person has like a soulmate quality. Whoa! So, thanks, Snaps. Snaps jumped completely, like from over there all the way from here. So I guess we're going to just keep going with this video because we're on a really good vibe. And I want to see what happens if, you know, we just keep going. Are you going to be a good boy? Are you going to be a good boy? He's like, oh, I maybe want to jump back and knock over all the wires. So let's just adjust the camera. Come on. Everybody, this is like real life Joey Wargachuk. Real life Joey Wargachuk. Here we go. So, the tarot card. Partnership. Super excited. Look out for this person. They are really who you need in your life, and they need you in your life. So it's a really good marriage, companionship, connection, soulmate, divine guidance is really, 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 really good. So the crystal card for Wednesday is, oh my god, I love purple fluorite. Purple fluorite connects to your third eye, and it brings order out of the chaos and gives clarity by connecting the heart to the brain. So connect your heart to your brain. So the question is, where in your life can you use clarity? So maybe you're going to go to some kind of meeting or gathering, and you're going to meet somebody who is on the same page, feels the same way about things as you, and you're going to connect, and you're going to, and it might not be right away, but it's definitely going to mature and grow into something wonderful, and this person is totally going to be your cheerleader, and they're going to be yours. So watch out for Wednesday. Look for that person. They're definitely like entering into your orbit. So Thursday the 8th is the sun. I love the sun. It's about happiness, obtainment, winning, getting what you want, and feeling it's really good about it. It's being reveling in the joy and wonder of success and good fortune. So really good divine things are going to be flowing into your life on Thursday. Are you receiving them? I think that you're ready. So just receive the joy, bask in the sunlight of the universe and the things that you're manifesting, and enjoy them. The crystal card for Thursday is Amazonite. Connects to the heart chakra. It's about motivation. I love Amazonite. So beautiful. It motivates you into action and to speak your own way without fear of judgments. So you're going to be having the strength and the courage to be motivated to do the things that you really truly want. So where do you need more motivation? Think about it. Where are you stuck? And circle that and then punch through it. So Friday the 9th, and the tarot card is, oh, I love Fridays. Satisfaction, attainment, rewarding yourself, being proud of what you've obtained emotionally and in relationships and where you're in your life. I don't know about you, but I'm really happy with what I've accomplished and who I am. Videotaping right in front of you guys and doing what I love and being happy and centered. And I feel a lot of you guys are getting to a point where you're starting to feel like, wow, I've made it this far and I feel good about myself. So really kind of reward yourself, maybe go out for a nice dinner, buy yourself a present, and just bask in the glow of happiness. Feel it. Be present in it. And the crystal card for Friday is Rhodonite. And Rhodonite is heart chakra, but it's also very grounding. It's about love. And it grounds your heart chakra energy and brings love energy to the physical plane. Has your love been too idealized? Think about it. Maybe you're overreaching or saying that you want things that you know you really don't. Realize that what makes you feel good and what you think other people want you to want are two different things. So ground yourself, be present in the moment, and say, what makes me happy? What do I love? And you'll be surprised the things that kind of pop up. It's very personal. So Saturday the 10th is the Tower. Sudden insight. So I think a lot of people are going to really have a heart-to-heart with themselves, and they're going to realize a lot of things, and the Tower is going to come crashing down, and you're going to be like, oh my god, I can't believe I've been doing this all this time. Maybe you're stuck in a job or a relationship or a rut, and there's going to be a huge emotional release, and I think that's amazing, and I feel really happy for all of you, including myself, to be having this emotional release, because it's about time to let go of what is holding you back and being trapped in the prison of your own mind and your own life, and being set free to do and achieve the things that you truly want. The crystal card for Saturday is Kunzite. And Kunzite, it's all about love, healing your heart chakra, which is so important. So Kunzite is divine love. It helps you to release negativity in your heart, replacing it with divine love. And the question is, what will help you feel that the universe is there for you? Who can help you? What can help you make you feel like you're being provided for by the universe? Maybe it's lighting a candle, which I do every day, all the time. I got candles going all over my apartment because I feel when I light a candle, I connect to the universal divine love energy, and I feel that the flame of the fire is a symbol and a connection that helps me know that the universe is there for you. So light a candle for yourself. That is very helpful. So, Sunday is the 11th, and we've got the Five of Swords. So serious conflicts that you got to resolve on Sunday, maybe with family, maybe with people, a community thing, but what are you doing to annihilate people out of your life because you think that you're right and you're better than them, when really it's like, you're like, oh, well, I won that argument, or I'm right about this, and you just have to like submit. People are not going to like want you in their community or in their tribe if you're the difficult, negative Nelly. So don't be that person and release that. The crystal card for Sunday is my favorite crystal in the whole universe, solar plexus. Citrine is a super amazing crystal. It's about prosperity. And I think once you release all these conflicts that you have going on and this need to like dominate people, you're going to realize the prosperity and abundance that's going to flow into your life, because citrine manifests and attracts wealth, prosperity, and positivity. So it absorbs negativity, transmutes it into positivity for you. But the question that it brings into play is, what would you do if you had more than enough? So if you have more than enough, what would you be doing with your life? Now go do that. So you've got the power. Thank you so much for tuning in with videos. Thank you for the hundreds of personal messages and happy birthday messages and emails and text messages. This has been a really wonderful day. I'm sending peace and love and good vibes for you for the coming week. Thank you everyone for purchasing the Happy Soul crystal cards, because it was a labor of love with the owner, Diane Cooley, and myself. We're looking forward to publishing more cards in the future. And thank you for everyone who has signed up for my Unity workshop on Crystal Master certification. It's been a really great couple of weeks. I'm hoping the next couple of weeks for you guys is amazing too. Love and light, and have an amazing week. Bye!